Okay, now that we've got this. Looking at this, for whatever it's worth, this is apparently a Holley 7950 HP mechanical secondary double pumper. Because why not? Yeah, I think its fumes have died down enough. Let's see if I catch fire here. You don't really need a lighter if you got a MAP gas torch. Anyway, I think what I'm going to do first is pull the accelerator pump squirters, and I know that's where one of my problems is. It's pretty clean. Small holes. See if I can. These holes are so tiny. It's hard to. I don't really want to ream them out. I'm gonna go get a flashlight, see if I can see see if I can see through those holes. Okay, I'm back with the flashlight. I can't see through the holes. One slightly better than the other. My hope then will be get this gasket off here without fucking anything up. That's why you don't do it on the car. Yep. That's interesting. Didn't know that was in there. Also pretty clean. I'm thinking that goes to that port there. Ooh, am I glad I flipped that over, because I would have put air on that thing and shot that right into my own eye. That's nice. Again, sometimes you just happen to make the right choices. It's pretty darn clean right now. So I think what we're going to do is put that one back together. This gasket is still good. That gasket still looks pretty good. Nice. We got flow. Let's check this one first. Ooh. It popped if you heard that. It was plugged up. Now it's not, but I think what it was is that plunger that I didn't realize was in there had gotten stuck. So that is what was going on. Because this one here popped when I put the air on it. Yep, still recording. I'm not a moron 3 times. That's pretty good. Let's get that baby. Yep, she's kind of stuck. Okay, this ought to be something. This ought to be something. Let's see if we can catch it. There she is. Okay. PB down there. Let that sit for a minute. While we decide how we're going to attack. Oh yeah, there's the crud. Yeah, the other one was not as bad. Surprisingly, it was still stuck, but it wasn't as bad. Yeah, the buildup on the needle. Not much you can do with that. I don't know how the hell you would clean it. Alright, I'm going to shoot this to the ceiling. Not too bad. I think the ones that are going to be even more fun are these adjustable air bleeds. Yep, good. And now it comes out like it should. Cool. And you imbecile, you just shot your gasket to the moon. Bravo. Not that it's going to matter, but if any of you in the video saw what just happened to the little gasket that used to go there, that I had to cut off with a razor knife on that side, so I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Oh! Sneaky. Nothing's ever easy, I tell you. See if we can get that back together. Calibrated torque. Much, much happier. All right. and of itself, I could probably put that back together and it'd run. But these air bleeds are the shittiest piece of the entire carburetor. And they have real small orifices in them. So, in the spirit of what's next, pop these little beauties out one at a time. Take a look at them. Blow out the passages. Maybe rod out the orifice a little bit. See if I can keep this from flying across the room. That's one. A lot of people don't like Holley carburetors. I like them. Mainly because they have very few moving parts. And obviously, though, as you can see, one of the failures of this has been the part that moves that I didn't know was even in there. I did not realize there were basically little needle and seat underneath the accelerator pump squirters. That is something that is new to me. I don't know if any of y'all have caught the difference between the first video on the carburetor, or the second video I guess, where I'd already taken everything apart before I realized the camera wasn't running, and this, but I had a bandage on this finger. The reason that was there is because I had made a joke in the beginning of the video I didn't make, saying that I'm going to do a preemptive strike. It's all crapped up. Tape up where I figured I was going to hit myself with a hammer next. Do it, just do it preemptively. So that's what that was. It would have been a hell of a lot funnier had I decided to remember to turn the damn camera on. Speaking of which, hey, look, it's still working. And I'm an idiot. These, I'm fairly certain I have never messed with these. This is whatever came with the carburetor.